Books, silent carriers of knowledge, wisdom, and stories. They fill our libraries and overflow our desks. But can they replace the guiding presence of a good teacher? Books are undeniably important. They provide information, perspectives, and a means to travel through time and space. Yet, books alone cannot cater to the dynamic nature of learning. A good teacher imparts knowledge, inspires, and adapts to each student's needs. They create an environment where curiosity is nurtured and critical thinking is encouraged.
My teacher doesn't just teach from the book, she makes the lessons come alive. She helps me see things in a new way. Books are great, but her guidance makes all the difference.
Teachers bring learning to life, bridging theory and practice. They encourage collaboration, discussion, and debate, fostering deeper understanding. Teachers provide emotional support, recognizing individual struggles and offering guidance. This personalized attention is something no book can offer.
Teaching is more than delivering content. It's about connecting with students, understanding their dreams and challenges, and helping them grow academically and personally. Teaching is an art.
In every corner of the world, teachers make a difference. They shape the minds and hearts of future generations. Their impact goes beyond the pages of any book. While we cherish our books, let's also honor our teachers. Their wisdom and dedication illuminate our paths. Text on screen. Thank you, teachers. Your guidance is invaluable. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. No load of books can replace one good teacher. Until next time, keep learning and stay inspired. Pause 2S. The impact of teacher-student relationships is profound. A good teacher not only imparts knowledge, but also builds a strong bond with students. Pause 2S. This relationship can significantly influence a student's growth. Pause 2S. When students feel valued, they engage actively and strive for excellence. Teachers who connect with students inspire confidence and a love of learning. Pause 2S. This bond transforms the educational experience, making it impactful. Pause 3S. Let's celebrate the power of teacher-student relationships and the teachers who make a difference. Quality improvement in education is essential for student success. Teachers who continuously seek to improve their methods and stay updated with the latest trends provide a more effective learning experience. This commitment ensures students receive the best education. Pause 2S. Embracing new technologies and ongoing professional development is key. Pause 2S. Dedicated teachers are better equipped to meet diverse student needs. Pause 2S. They create adaptive environments where every student can thrive. Pause 2S. Prioritizing quality and improvement unlocks students' full potential.